Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're talking about Land Rover flip keys. And as you can see, these Land Rover flip keys, they're a real common problem. The buttons break, little rubber pads, and unfortunately they're super glued together, so it's not that easy to open them if you want to fix the buttons. But we found a solution that works really well. And what you're going to need is this tool right here. You can find it online. It's about $25 to $50 depending on where you buy it. And David's going to show you what you have to do is you actually have to break this open. So go ahead, David, and show them how that works.
Okay, all you have to do is first look at the tool. There has this part in here that's go inside the little disc. You have to open the key, then you put it in there, and all you have to do is close it. Once you close it,
wow,
it pops up.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, easy, and you don't break anything on the key. You see the remote's intact.
That's just unbelievable. Because before we had that tool, it was really difficult to get these open, and you'd either cut yourself with a knife, or you damage the chip, and so it's just this tool just makes it so incredibly easy.
So now here's the new shell, and all you have to do is you don't need this one to open it, but we chose again how to use it. So you put this apart, and here is it. The battery is rechargeable, so you don't need to replace the battery because those are better than the BMWs.
So the battery you can't take off the circuit board, correct?
Correct. Yeah, it's
show how that
rechargeable battery. You see.
So if that makes sense, guys, don't take that battery off. It's soldered on there, right? You can't even take it out, is that correct?
No, yes, that's correct. Yeah, you don't even, you have to do a lot of stuff if you want to replace it. So if the battery doesn't work, it's just better get a new key.
Do we have a signal tester here?
Yes,
where's the signal tester? You see, guys, if you have one of these signal testers, go ahead and press the button. Let's see if it's got.
You see, this way you got signal. So the battery is good. You can test it.
Yeah. Now, if you test it and it doesn't have a signal, then the battery is dead and you can't change the battery, right?
No,
so you pretty much need a new remote, correct?
I would say you have to get a new remote.
Okay.
So I would say, but continue. Put the remote in here. So you see the shop match perfect. And here's a new blade. Here, this one you always have to put in this side because it's more easier to put it in. Let's see that match in there. This one fit here. Let's see, all you have to do is right there, and you can just turn it one time and then close it. See, it then fits.
Now, perfect. Is it giving signal?
Yes. You can test signal. We're perfect.
That's awesome. So the only thing that's left would be to cut the blade. So if you need it cut, you can come to any of our stores and we can laser cut the blade for you, because as you can see, it's not like a regular style key. It has to be laser cut. So, which that's no problem for us. We can do it. Thanks for watching.